this is Ritzy here, and today I'm not only going to show you how to make this cute design, but also how to make your design last for a week or more, keeping your polish from peeling. These are my nails after 9 days and they started peeling after cleaning my turtle spool. So, if you want to see how to do it, let's go! First, with a cuticle pusher, push your cuticles. Remember to be gentle, just like this. Then, with a soft nail file, remove any leftovers on the nail. Now, with a regular nail file, give form to the nail. Now, with pure acetone or rubbed alcohol, clean all your nail, and this will also make your nails a little bit dehydrated, which helps to make the polish to stay bare. Don't worry, this doesn't damage your nails. Let's start with the base coat. First, remove the excess of the polish from one side of the brush and paint a thin layer over your nail from top to bottom, covering all your nail without touching any skin. Also, seal it by painting the end of the nail. Always wait until the polish is completely dry to paint over it. For the base color of the design, paint your index and ring finger nails with medium green shade polish, using the same technique as before. Then, the rest of your nails with medium red shade polish. If you paint any skin by accident, don't worry, just remove it with some acetone. Now, with dark green shade, paint 2 horizontal white lines and 1 vertical line at the left of your nail. With black polish, paint the 2 intersection squares of the lines. And with white polish, 3 thin lines crossing the middle of the dark green lines. Now, with black polish, make 2 thin black lines, 1 vertical and 1 horizontal. Now, for the red design, paint with dark red 2 horizontal white lines and 1 vertical line at the right of your nail. With black polish, paint the two intersection squares of the lines. And with white polish, 3 thin lines crossing the middle of the dark red lines. Now, with black polish again, make 2 thin black lines, one vertical and one horizontal. For last but not least, apply 2 coats of top coat, sealing the nails perfectly. Also, I recommend you to apply one more coat at the 3rd or 4th day to make it last longer. Now, I'm going to show you some tricks that you can do in your daily life to make your design last longer. If you want to open any bag, never do it with your nails. Instead, use your fingertips. This is the same for any tea or coffee bag. Take advantage of the dents. For opening any can, use a spoon as a pulley. Just like this. For removing any sticker, instead of using your nails, use a spoon too. For opening any container lid, also use your fingertips. For difficult to open containers, use any tool to help you. And the most important advice is to never wash the dishes with your bare hands. Always wear gloves. I hope that this video helped you a lot. If you like it, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe and ring the bell button below. Bye!